My highlight of the day would be that EdTech is absolutely crucial for the EIT mission, equipping millions of citizens, of European citizens, with the key skills and entrepreneurial mindset in order to boost European competitiveness.
The highlight of this conference, I would definitely say the co-creational lab. Through this participatory format, I had the chance to really get to know the people, get new perspectives, new opinions, new ideas.
It's really nice to be in a shared space with leading startup operators, academics, ecosystem leaders as well. The key thing that I'm hearing is the importance of building trust between those different organizations.
We all agree that we care about education and we want to make it the best possible. So as we agree on that, let's make it happen all together.
The many different voices that are here, how the conversations really were very insightful, trying to understand how to make a successful private-public partnership to advance education in Europe.
The conversations outside of the official program.
I really like the idea of strategic change in education. We're looking at the education system and thinking what's the major change that we need to do. Everyone who is in the community should work together to understand what is the change needed.
Seeing how many people are actually engaged in the EdTech community and how many people from different stakeholder groups across Europe want to come together.
Connecting with all the other educators that have made it to the conference. And also I got to see and connect with people who are at the very forefront of developing educational technologies.